So we can see that it has given us the carousel image section with details here, related products, and add to cart button, right? So I can. Did you know Google recently launched a new AI tool meant for designs? It's called Stitch and lets you create designs just by giving a prompt. No design skills required, no templates. You just describe what you're looking for and Stitch creates professionally looking, editable screens just with your plain English. And the best part? You can copy the screens straight into Figma and further edit if you think you want to do some minor changes. Welcome to day 234 of 2000 days of no code challenge. Honestly, Google's release of this Stitch tool makes non-designers like me get the designs done for the tools that we can develop for our clients, or even the clients who do not understand designs could actually get the designs done by themselves. So let's dive in and see how it actually functions and to see if it actually creates good looking designs. So to begin, head over to stitch.withgoogle.com and click on try now, and you can see that it opens a screen where you can actually describe your design for both mobile and web, right? Once you are in, you can see that you have option to put your prompt. You can create designs for mobile or web version. You can see some examples here. You can see some sample prompts over here, right? You also have standard mode and experimental mode. So standard mode, design faster with Gemini 2.5 Flash, quickly edit themes and export to Figma. Experimental mode, get high fidelity designs with Gemini 2.5 Pro, use an image for inspiration. So let's go with standard mode for now. And the prompt that I'm going to give is a grocery delivery app with homepage, product listing, cart and checkout pages. So I'll click on generate design. Frankly speaking, I've not given a detailed prompt. It's just a very simple prompt. So let's see what Stitch is able to generate based on the simple prompt that I just gave. And there you go. So it has actually generated the homepage where we have a list of items, and it also has some sub pages where if you go to dairy and eggs, then it shows you about those products. You can also see my carts with the ability to add more numbers or subtract the numbers that you have already added, like number of items that you want, or rather the quantity of a particular item. And then you have a checkout page, right? This was real quick, isn't it? Would you like any changes or further details on these designs? Right? That's the last sentence that it has given. So if you want any further changes, you can give it over here, right? Or if you would like, then you can directly send it to Figma. So I would like to make a small change just to see how it functions. As we can see here, there is no option of add to cart directly. So I'm going to put it over here. Add a product detail screen with image carousel and add to cart button. So I'm going to enter it and let's see what happens. One of the things that you can expect from this AI tools is something like this, where you give a prompt and it shows that it's running, but we're not sure when it is going to end. And even after waiting for 5, 10, 15 or even 30 minutes, sometimes it might not give you anything. So I'll just wait for a couple of minutes, and if it doesn't work out, then we will go back. So after waiting for a couple of minutes, what I did is I just refreshed the page and I could see something unexpected happened and Stitch couldn't complete your generation. Please try again in a moment. Right, so then I gave the same prompt again and I am waiting for it to generate. So again, this time I'm going to Okay, I don't have to wait because it has actually generated the pages. So we can see that it has given us the carousel image section with details here, related products, and add to cart button, right? So I can just copy from here and then I can go to Figma and paste it. So let's give that a try as well. So I'm going to Figma. I should already have an account with them. Let me click on login. I'll create a new one, click on design. It opens a page which is called page 1, and click on paste. That is Control V, and your design is on Figma. Now you can go to any section, change whatever you want. There you go. Now I'm not sure how do we go back to the previous designs that we had. Yeah, so we can just come back here and click on that. So you just copy this, go back to Figma, click it. Of course you have to move it here or whatever it is, and there you go. Your designs are directly on Figma as though you are a designer, right? So here you can see that there is some glitch. You can just correct it from here. Anyways, we saw how a mobile design can be done. Let's quickly go back and see how to get the web design. And for that, I'm going to give a prompt, which is basically going to be travel itinerary planner with the destination search, saved plans, and calendar view web. Generate designs. I hope this doesn't take more than a couple of minutes. And because it's web-based design, you can see the layout is very different, which it has too. So if you've got like 3 screens, which it is generating. Okay, the designs are ready. You can see that we can search destinations from here. Any week, any guest, interest, suggested destinations. Paris, Tokyo, New York, Rome, Barcelona, London. And you can also see trips, right, where upcoming is these 3, past are these 3, and then you can also go to my trips. Okay, the slightly confusing because here on the header it says explore trips inbox and profile, and here it says explore my trips inbox and profile. So many different designs, right? We could choose whatever we like, but the point is you can actually create designs with just a simple prompt. We'll have to explore more and see if it can actually generate some complex designs, but for beginners it's all good, don't you think? And of course you can also change theme from here. So click on this if you want light theme or dark theme, any other color combination. Of course you can change the theme from here, right? Light theme, dark theme, any colors that you would want or color combo that you want. You can also go with custom colors. Corner radius, you can change it from here. You can also change the font from here. You can also click on any of these designs. You can copy the code from here, right? You can also copy the Figma from here. So yeah, Google just launched this Stitch a couple of weeks back, but by the time this video goes live, it could be a month or slightly more. But for those of you who have been wondering like how do I get these designs done, what should be the design styles and so on and so forth, do give Stitch a try. I love developing, but design was never my cup of tea. But with Stitch, I think that game becomes much simpler. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Please do like and share. And of course, if you have not subscribed, subscribe now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.